Good morning, student. Today, once again, I will explain MS Excel 2013. Previous class, I have introduced about the spreadsheet. Today, same things. I will show you the function of spreadsheet, then function of Excel. What is Excel? How to open the Excel? Everything. Okay. So let us start to the same chapter, the chapter number 5. Okay, that is chapter number 5. It will be continue. What is this chapter number 5? The introduction, the Excel 2013. My dear students, Excel, about the Excel, you know that this MS Office, they have made the one software, and that with that software, so different parts are there like MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access, and MS Excel. One MS Excel is the member of the MS Office. Okay. Then it's the coming the spreadsheet. My dear students, at first you learn what is spreadsheet. You know that a spreadsheet is an interactive computer application software. It is for use for organization's purpose. Mainly it is used for data record. Okay. And so many calculate purpose we can use. These spreadsheets help us to create many documents, graph papers. These are the etc. etc. It is mainly used for rows and column base. Mainly used for rows and column base. Whenever they had made the rows and column base, one box will appear. That box, small, each box called a cell. Later I will show you. Okay. Next things, the plenty of spreadsheets are there. Plenty of spreadsheet. I have shown you to one of them. That is Lotus 123, Open Office, Calc, MS Excel. I have written only 3. Many things are there. We learn the MS Excel. MS Excel is the part of the spreadsheet. Remember, MS Excel is the very important part and popular software base. Okay. Actually, this MS Excel, we can do many things. We can do easy things. That's why we learn the MS Excel. Okay. Now I said the Excel. Now at first to learn what are the advantages of Excel. Simply we not do the Excel. Remember the students, whenever the Microsoft company invented the MS Office, they thought we will create the different software, the different purpose we can use. That's why Word we can use for data purpose, text purpose, then Access we know the database purpose we can use, PowerPoint for presentation purpose we can use, but Excel we can use for calculating purpose. Plenty of calculations we can do through Excel. Okay. What are the advantages of Excel? You can see it helps us to organize to huge amounts of data. Yes, my dear, through the Excel we can write many things, many data we can store it. Like if I say you write the name of the students for 5, 6, 7, all the students' name you write. So what to do? You will go to the Excel and write all the students' names. Means this is the data. Previous chapters like access we have done how to save the data. Okay, there access we have made one table and Excel already table there. We can enter the name, we can type the name and with the documents. Okay, so that's why we can say we can store huge amounts of data. Next one, it helps to perform calculation easily and quickly. I said to you, through Excel we can do many calculations and very tough calculations we can take out easily. The answer we can easily take out. Okay. Next, we can filter and sort data according to needs. Actually, filter, what is the filters and what is the sorting? Suppose I have written so many students' name. Otherwise, you have written class 4, 5, 6, 7. I said those who are names are starting from A, B, C. Okay, like alphabetical order names will come first. So what to do? You have to find 5, 6, 7, all the names you have written. So here one option is there, the filter, the sort data. So all the if you mention the sorting order like a ascending orders like A, B, C, D will come according to the first letters. We can see the names. So this here from the Excel we can easily do sort and filters. Okay, so that's why you can I have written we can filter and sort data according to needs. Fourth number, it has tools to prepare illustrative and graph easily. Yes, my dear, through the Excel we can make your own graph chart. You have seen in the cricket match, your 5, 6, 7 the chart paper you have done the bar graph. Here we can easily make it the bar graph, pictograph, bar graph, pie chart. Easily we can make here. Okay. Last one, it helps to import data and export data to other softwares. Yes. Suppose we have typed many students' names. It is our database. This database we can attach to the another softwares because we can easily find out the names. Okay. Next, now the question is coming how to start to the MS Excel. Yes, my dear, at first start, then all programs, then MS Office part you will see MS Excel. I have written 13, you can do it 7, 10, 13, whatever you like it. Okay. Next, interface. This is the MS Access window. You can see MS Access. See, you can see the small boxes are there in the window. This is the part that called the MS Excel. My dear, this one A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. You can see these are the called the column. Okay, these I have written, and the small one row. Okay, this area is called the row. Okay. And this is the first one, it is very important thing, remember this is the first one. Here this each box called the cell, the first one called the name box. Okay, it is located there beside the formula bar. Yes, this formula bar, what is that? Whatever we will write here we can do calculate. So this area is the called calculation bar. Okay, formula bar. Clear? This area is called the formula bar. Remember, this box you will write, it has written the apex, so formula bar. Clear? And this area is called the name box. Means which one you will select, that box name will appear here. Okay? So this is the functions to formula and name box. Now my dear, I have told you by default we can see three worksheet. This is called the sheet 1, sheet 2 and this sheet 3. Here sheet 1 whatever you will see, sheet 2 same thing. Then when you complete the sheet 2, sheet 3. You are thinking only 3 sheet we can do it. No, you can attach plenty of sheets. Okay, it file, you know that from the file we will get the home tab, save, print, everything is located in the file tab, and home tab we can change the color and size and setting, everything will be the home tab. Okay, now it is the view buttons. View buttons means we can see the documents, how to disable, how can show the worksheet. Okay, and zoom contents means if the CL box, it will come the bigger size or smaller size. And one more is very important thing, that status bars. Status bars, it is the next steps, next position. Actually this worksheet is not the small one, very big page, remember, very big page. Okay, from the view we cannot see the everything in the screen, on the screen. So if you want to see, the scroll will do, it will come. Okay, we will see the next class how to use the Excel window. Okay, so my dear, I think you understood the Excel, how to use the Excel, what is the functions of use the Excel. The next class I will show you the function of the Excel, how to use the Excel. So my dear students, I hope everybody understood this class. If you have any kinds of the questions, any doubt, you can do command with me. Otherwise, you know, you can contact with me how to contact. Okay, so today's up to this. Thank you.